Dunkleosteus, the armored monster of the Devonian era. In the vast oceans of the Devonian period, around 360 million years ago, there lived a giant and fearsome creature that struck terror into the hearts of all marine life. This was Dunkleosteus, a massive armored fish with terrifying strength and a deadly jaw, making it one of the most formidable predators of the ancient underwater world. With its enormous size and unique hunting mechanisms, Dunkleosteus was not only a fearsome predator, but also a symbol of the remarkable evolution of marine life during prehistoric times. Massive appearance and distinctive armor. Dunkleosteus was one of the largest fish known to have ever existed in the evolutionary history of the oceans. Its length could reach up to 10 meters, and it weighed around 4 tons, similar to the size of a small bus. However, what truly made this fish unique was not just its enormous size, but its thick armor plating that covered its head and chest. This bone armor not only protected Dunkleosteus from threats posed by other fish, but also helped it become an incredibly effective hunting machine. The head of Dunkleosteus was covered in thick bone plates that shielded it from attacks. With a heavily armored head and an exceptionally powerful jaw, this fish was nearly invulnerable. The bone plates in its jaw were as sharp as blades, replacing the conventional teeth of other predators. This combination of bone armor and specialized hunting mechanisms made Dunkleosteus one of the most fearsome creatures of the Devonian seas. The power of its jaws, a ruthless crushing machine. What made Dunkleosteus truly terrifying was not just its massive size or thick armor, but also its incredible jaw strength. Instead of sharp teeth like modern predatory fish, Dunkleosteus had sharp bone plates in its jaws that could crush any prey. These bone plates acted like giant shears, easily cutting through the hard shells of armored fish and mollusks. Research shows that Dunkleosteus had a bite force of up to 5,000 newtons, strong enough to crush even the hardest-shelled creatures. This ability allowed it to hunt a wide variety of prey, from small fish to larger animals, or those with tough shells. Dunkleosteus also had the ability to open its mouth very quickly in just 1/50th of a second, creating a powerful suction force that pulled its prey into its jaws before they had any chance of escape. This powerful jaw was not only an effective weapon, but also allowed Dunkleosteus to maintain a consistent hunting ability throughout its life. The bone plates in its jaw would sharpen themselves with each bite, keeping them razor-sharp and highly efficient in the process of catching and consuming prey. Enormous size and life in the ancient oceans. With a length of 8 to 10 meters, Dunkleosteus was one of the largest creatures of the Devonian period. In the ancient marine environment, this colossal size gave it a significant advantage over many other creatures. This size and strength allowed Dunkleosteus to easily dominate the food chain, finding food and fending off competitors in the diverse marine habitats. Dunkleosteus inhabited various parts of the ocean, from shallow waters where food was abundant to deeper regions. Thanks to its impressive size and powerful body, it could move freely across different areas of the ocean without much resistance. This fish had the ability to hunt prey ranging from small creatures to larger animals in various habitats, making it a versatile and adaptable predator. Unique evolution, the toothless predator. Dunkleosteus was a member of the Placodermi class, a group of armored fish that developed thick bone plates to protect their bodies. However, what is fascinating about Dunkleosteus is that despite its incredible strength and massive size, it lacked teeth. Instead, it used sharp bone plates in its jaws, which were highly effective. This evolutionary trait made Dunkleosteus one of the most dangerous predators of its time. These bone plates were not only used to cut and crush prey, but also had the ability to sharpen themselves through use, keeping them sharp and effective. This unique evolution allowed Dunkleosteus to survive and thrive in the highly competitive and challenging marine environment of the ancient oceans. the mysterious extinction. Around 360 million years ago, at the end of the Devonian period, Dunkleosteus and many other armored fish disappeared in a major extinction event. Changes in the marine environment, including reduced oxygen levels in the water, are believed to be the main reasons for the extinction of this giant fish. The shifts in ocean structure may have caused a loss of suitable habitats, making it difficult for Dunkleosteus to survive. Additionally, the rise of faster, more agile bony fish and sharks with advanced hunting tactics likely created significant competition, pushing Dunkleosteus to the brink of extinction. Despite its immense strength and size, this fish may not have been able to cope with environmental changes and the emergence of new species. A lasting legacy. Although Dunkleosteus has long since disappeared, it remains one of the most remarkable creatures in the history of the ocean. The fossils of this giant fish have provided scientists with valuable insights into life in the prehistoric seas and how predatory creatures evolved over millions of years. Dunkleosteus is not just remembered as a giant predator, but as a symbol of the strength and diversity of ancient marine ecosystems. In modern culture, Dunkleosteus is often depicted as a sea monster with terrifying strength, making it a symbol of the wild and unforgiving nature of prehistoric marine life. Its existence serves as a testament to the ongoing evolution of life on Earth and the incredible adaptability of creatures in even the most challenging environments. Conclusion: a prehistoric monster that continues to fascinate. Though it disappeared millions of years ago, Dunkleosteus remains one of the most fascinating creatures in evolutionary history. With its enormous size, armored body, and powerful hunting mechanisms, this fish was one of the most efficient predators known to have lived. Dunkleosteus stands as a testament to the power of nature and the incredible diversity of life that once filled the oceans. The legacy of Dunkleosteus lives on through the fossils left behind, helping us better understand the development of life on Earth. Research on this ancient fish not only opens the door to the distant past of the oceans, but also stirs curiosity about the legendary creatures that once roamed the deep.